Well, today we're talking about my method. Fish will still swim and birds will still fly. Even though something might happen. Caitlin, how do you feel about that theory?
I like it.
You like it?
Because
fish I think it's amazing.
I like it too.
Breathe underwater.
Like
and
Nemo.
Birds fly and eat fish.
Oh my god, birds eat fish.
I feel bad for you, babe.
My theory sounds like... Oh my god, Caitlin, you're so silly.
Caitlin Brown's a clown.
Oh, yes, you are.
Look at the little
Hey, I found it.
I like the clowny fish.
It was never lost, but I found it. Oh, birds so funny. Caitlin.
Can we stop?